Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AT&T Account Security to protect login access, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your device and open a web browser. Navigate to the AT&T website. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your AT&T account credentials to log in. Once logged in, go to the Profile section. Locate and select the Account Security option. Look for the two-step verification feature. Click on the Setup or Edit button next to it. You will see an introduction screen explaining two-step verification. Read the information carefully and click on Get Started. Choose your preferred method for receiving verification codes. You can opt for text messages, phone calls, or an authenticator app. If you select text messages, enter your mobile number. If you select the authenticator app, follow the prompts to install it. Once your method is chosen, click Continue. If you selected text messages, check your device for the code and enter it on the AT&T website. If using an authenticator app, scan the QR code provided. Enter the code generated by the app to verify it. After entering the correct code, click Verify. You will see a confirmation message indicating that two-step verification is enabled. Take note of any backup codes provided for future access. For added security, it's a good idea to review your security settings. Consider enabling alerts for unusual login attempts. Log out of your account once all changes are made. Your AT&T account is now secured with enhanced login protection. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your account is better protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.